Share today. ComfyUI for models with this context. For workflows, the first is multi-image fusion, and refined is conventional. This has been introduced. The second is the head replacement, just post an avatar. On an image, you can easily change your head, and it was replaced perfectly. As for the dissimilarity of the facial features, if you draw the card a few times, it will be very similar. It mainly uses a LoRa with a change head. The prompt words are here. In this trigger word, this is an easy head change, no need for complicated editing. Just paste it. I will introduce it in detail later. Let me briefly introduce it first. Then this is the workflow for changing clothes. Its advantages: I can draw a red circle. Manually click this to draw a red circle. Specify a location, then let it. Change the colors to the ones in my reference picture. This way, I can easily put on this dress. Of course, there are also tips for prompt words. I will introduce it in detail later. The last one is to change the action posture. This currently does not. Reference image or skeleton. No one can accurately refer to the movements. So the best way is to. You first give. For example, opening the picture. Bag. Let it describe the posture of this action. Then paste the prompt words in. We can. In basic clothing background. If everything remains unchanged, change action. This is the most efficient. And facial features. Wait, nothing changes. A total of these 4. Then I will introduce. I'm currently using online mirror at the InkBrain Cloud. It's ready to use. I am currently using the online mirror of the Do you want to deploy it? Just open and click on my mirror. Then you can. Just like what I use now. The image I am using now. This is it. Open it like this. Then this workflow I put. Outside this location, the first one is Flux Kontext, a versatile image editor. This workflow. Of course, I have other workflows here. Previous. I have 3 categories here. Image, video, place. There are also many image categories, including the latest, context model. There is also the Cairo model of Flux. And all of them. Flux hundreds of workflows. There are also a video. There is the latest 1.1. And 1.2. Video generation or image generation. Workflow. There is also lip sync or Vincent video expression control or video content removal and redrawing. Redraw. Actually, the generated video. The more commonly used. I have them all here. If you want to deploy this workflow locally, he can open my notes. Click on this navigation, ComfyUI tutorial. It will jump to the workflow location. This is my mirror image. It's the same 1, 2, 1. Put this in the image class. Then in the 5th, all-round image modification. Flux Kontext. Click. There is a model download inside. Then take a screenshot. Let you know which one to download. Then place there. And this LoRa with a different head. And settings. There are also trigger words. There is also a screenshot of the downloaded URL. There are also places to put. Briefly introduce how to use it. Just post a picture easily. No complicated operations required. You can easily change the head. Then this now yes. This workflow is useful. I'll put it here. Now the installation address. The first one is partial screenshot cropping. Then add. Controls are often used. Divide into a node for adjusting the image. The one below is a node dedicated to graffiti. It is convenient to draw some simple annotations, circles, etc. Then below, Yes, prompt words use. This is the best prompt word tested. I'll record it here. Then the bottom is also a more prompt word. You also share here. Click this to see the product refinement prompt. The best result so far is this. Also, these are all refined prompt words, and this is the hint word of fusion. And all the following. A lot of prompt words. Prompt words for various functions, non-repetition, basically complete. Both. There are hint words here. I wrote it next to here. Just convert it into English. Underneath this, the workflow I introduced. It is divided into 4, then a simple screenshot and annotation introduction, a multi-image. There is also a head change and a change of clothes and change posture. Below is the video tutorial. Download with workflow. This is suitable for local deployment. Use. Okay, back to our workflow. This is a multi-image process. Best results. So if you have multiple fusion images, just let this node. Just typeset it yourself. Convert to single processing. It's perfect. You can refine the product with just one click. This is the bottom. Just the LoRa. This. Here is its hint word. LoRa's trigger words can be written here. Mainly this LoRa works to change the head. The other workflows are an ordinary one, Flux Kontext workflow. Then this node is used here. Load it in. Normally, when we run this workflow, again, don't run this workflow yet. Click this to load first. Edit this node first. 比如这样子放好了。Then generate. Then the connection here is very simple. In fact, it is connected to a clipping. Cutting words. You said you wanted to recut. Just click this to update the seed. It can be recut. You can fix that. Because your head is basically crop. No need to recut. You click on it. It can. I'll run it. Other side. First, turn it off, otherwise it will run to other workflows. I just want to run this one. I will just pick this one. If you encounter this situation, it's not black, then draw a card. Just generate it several times. Then after updating the seed, rerun. It will allow you to cut again. This is a little trick. For example, I only want his head. Then I'll cut it. Click OK. Then this. This part has been updated. Just stick it to the approximate location. Then it continues to generate. With this, the advantage of LoRa changing her avatar, its integration is very high, and its side, it will automatically turn it over. Then there are glasses. It will also automatically turn around. 这样子就 basically perfect. 1. Click head change. Skin what? It will also automatically go to the original picture according to this picture. Change. Go fit. Match this skin tone. You can't make it so small. This needs to be enlarged and colored. That's it. Because Kontext handles single sheets anyway. It is very good. Okay, this is a processing head. Okay, switch here. It's also simple here. It's actually a fusion of two. Just use this graffiti node. Then import this image. Just click here to import the image. Then this is the color. This is a graffiti tool brush. Click. You can draw on it. Mark the circle you want. Of course, you don't have to draw a circle. You can draw a half circle. Then this is the use. Multi-image fusion Separate method. The two pictures. Not submit a leaflet. Submit two pictures. One is this circle picture. Submit it to him. A picture of this skirt. Submit it to him. If you want more, just put these three. Copy it again. Then take another picture. 也是这样子。But usually two are enough. 这样子它就可以精准的。The meaning of a circle is it's a mark. Make it more maneuverable. Just limit it to this position. Then generate this skirt. Then the tape for the words. I have annotations here too. It is the red box. Refer to the second picture. Change into a lace long skirt. Keep the skirt feature as unchanged. Then wait and wait. If it is other products, just change the prompt word, just the rough structural reference. Okay, let's talk about the last one. The last one, actually. There's nothing much to say. I've tried all that kind of stuff. Multiple image references. Let it refer to. But the effect is not good. Changing posture, no. Other products remain unchanged. Or change the pose without changing the background. The characters remain unchanged. The facial features remain unchanged. The best effect is to use prompt words. You only need. Download the pose diagram. Put it on the Bingban. Let it provide a description of the pose of this picture. Then put it in. This effect is the most accurate and more efficient. Okay, that's it for this episode. Let's go play.